guys, welcome back to my channel Azaria's Aura, and today I'm going to be doing something very special. I'm going to be volunteering at a soup kitchen and I'm taking you along with me. Let's go. Hey guys, now I am walking to go to the bus that will be taking us to this kitchen, and it's really cold as you can see, but I have on a nice warm jacket and gloves. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be fun, and it's just a way to give back. Yeah. Okay, hey guys, I met up with one of my friends. Introduce yourself.
My name is Kofi. Sub to my channel. She'll put it on the screen.
Or will I? But yes, he will be coming and assisting me. I'm just joking. He'll be helping with the soup kitchen as well. So we're just waiting on the bus. Currently, it hasn't arrived yet. But see you in the next clip.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're coming this direction. I'm coming from here to right. You're just right at feet.
It's really pretty. Hey everyone, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. This was an amazing experience and I will be doing it again. So stay tuned for more videos.